fight right now. You might right now. I like right now.
Doing the
and
light.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. My spice right now. I'm tight right now. I'm hype right now. I hit your ass up smoking flight right now. You right now. Got pipe right now. I hit your ass up and fucking strike right now. So what the fuck you niggas need night right now? I turn the day to the night right now. Mice right now. Say that you a rat, you a mice right now.
What's up, Jake, baby? We on Bismarck, on the north side, second on Michigan, baby. You know what I'm saying? And my homeboy, DA, birthday party. What is up, baby? Just over here kicking it
all day, all day.
Oh, yeah, we got big time celebrities in the house. You already can see everybody here.
Oh, yeah, boy.
You know how we do it.
That's all day, baby.
It's all-time face, man. We drinking.
Hey, YouTube is on deck. Y'all niggas gonna be on YouTube. All y'all niggas. Y'all got something to say to them haters. Let them haters know.
I got something to say to them haters. 2 for 99, bitch.
Hey, okay. I got off this morning. I had a half.
Bam.
Golly. That motherfucker say bam.
Here we go.
Hey, you should be able to see what my copy is.
What up, huh?
Oh shit, you know me.
Birthday man. What you gotta say, birthday man?
Nigga killed James. Do you think?
We got a few films in here, times 10. You know what I'm saying? We got you drinking.